Here we go. We have a question, rotate a linked list. We have given head of a linked list and we have to rotate the linked list in clockwise direction by k nodes. So we have to do left shift. We have this linked list, and after rotation 1 this is a linked list, and after rotation 1 this 2 will go to the end. So this is the result after rotation 1. So now the first node, the head node, will go to the end. This is the second rotation, and this 7, the head node, will go to the end. This is the third rotation. After doing k number of operation, here k is 3, the answer is this. So we have to return this. Let's build the approach. So we have this linked list, and this is our head pointer. Our k is 3 in this case, so the answer is this. What if we have to do 5 times? Our k is 5. So after doing 5 number of times, the answer is this only, the initial node. So what if we have to do 10 times? The answer is same. I have to do 15 times, the answer is same. I have to do 0 number of times, k is 0, so the answer is same. So what I mean is, we first need to find its length. Its length is 5. We will find it using current pointer. So we have to do k number of times. So here k is 3, and the k may be greater than n. K may be greater than n. So I mean k is 8. So I have to do mod with n. So I will not do redundant rotations or unnecessary rotations. So now k is 3. We have to do 3 rotations now. So let's build the approach. We can do this modulus operation. So now this is the main part, how we do the rotation. As you can see, after doing 3 rotations, this is the head, then this is the new head after rotation 1, this is the new head after rotation 2, this is the new head after rotation 3. So we have to start from here, and after 9 we have to join 2. So 2 will be next to 9, and next to 7 is null. So 7 is the last node. We have to reach the kth node. Before that we have to reach its previous node. So we will disconnect the pointer. Here k is 3, and I have to reach this node. So I will do one iteration, then another iteration. So I have to do 2 iterations, k minus 1 iterations I have to do to reach the new head previous node. So write a for loop. It will go starting from 0 to k minus 2, k minus 1. So for 0 it will go to this. So k our k is 3 and k minus 1 is 2. So from 0 to 2, but we don't have to do for 0 it will run, 1 it will run. We have to avoid for 2, so it is excluding less than 2. So we have to do 2 iterations. So one is this, another one is this. So we have to write this for loop, and we have reached 7. After reaching 7, you have to save new head. This is the new head, and this is our current. So our new head is current.next. This is our new head, and next thing you will do, you will break the pointer. So your current next will be null. It points to null, and this is our new head. So we have break the linked list into 2 parts. Now we have to reach the ending node. So again run a for loop, current pointing to this index. So we have to check, is this the last node? Last node means its next value is null. No, it is not. So we have to iterate one time. Is this a last node? Yes, this is the last node. So current pointer points to this value. This is uh, the separate current than this. So after the current value we have to connect head node. This is the only part we have to do, and after that one thing remain, we have to return the new head. So that's the overall approach. Let's code this. So current pointing to head node, our size initially is 0 till current not equal to null. Our size increments and current points to next value. Next we have to take the modulus operation with n. If your k is 0, means our initially k is 0 or our k is 5, 10, 15, so we or equal to n, which means equal to n, so we don't have to do any rotations, just return your given linked list. So I am returning head. Next we have to iterate. So again head pointing current pointing to head node, because now current points to null, so we have to reinitialize. Now current points to head, and we have to do k number of iterations. So after doing k number of iterations, current dot next is our new head, and we have to break the left hand part. Now current points to new head. This is the new head, so we have to find the last node. So current dot next not equal to null means this is the last node and its next points to null node. So this is our last node, so we have to connect to the head. So current dot next, our last node next is the head node, and after doing that we have to return the new head. That's the overall code. If you want this code, it is provided in the description box. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.